Welcome to the 10-question English spelling quiz. For each question, select the correct spelling of the spoken word. Cheddar, cheddar. Cheddar, cheddar, cheddar. Batch, batch. Badge, badge, badge. Ankle, ankle. Ankle, ankle, ankle. Caramel, caramel. Caramel, caramel, caramel. Velcro, velcro. Velcro, velcro, velcro. Wrist, wrist. Wrist, wrist, wrist. Anklet, anklet. Anklet, anklet, anklet. Puppet, puppet. Puppet, puppet, puppet. Goblet, goblet. Goblet, goblet, goblet. Muffin, muffin. Muffin, muffin, muffin. Thank you for watching.